Yo, what's up guys, this is Bumblemus Prime, and today, I'm going to be reacting on Sonic Boom Season 1, Episode... 6. Forest of Squalitude? I don't know what that means, but let's start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Junk. 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 Evil Boot Warehouse.
Paper Jam.
Orbot! No,
Nah.
you imbecile. I don't want you to shred this. It's the key to our future. Do you know what this is?
Your robots can shred
Robotic
stuff?
women who love us for our minds and aren't into looks or money?
Aww.
Our home, and by that I mean my home, is going to be featured in Modern Layer magazine.
Modern Later magazines? I don't even know what that means.
A photographer's assistant will do a site inspection tomorrow to consider you for our Island Fortress issue.
Let's give this lair some flair.
Man, how many boots does Eggman
When your
have?
bots are done with my boots, make sure my roller coaster is in tip-top shape.
You have a roller coaster? Man, how many things do you have in this lair? The lights! I don't even know what's going on in there.
Perfect. It's all coming together. When the photographer's assistant arrives, he'll take one look at my lair and exclaim,
You call this a lair?
There's a little stuff on my
"Dare
TV.
you? Listen, pompous little pipsqueak, I'll crush you like a bug.
Not if you want your lair in our magazine.
You can't
Too
do
late
this
in
to
my
me.
magazine.
Modern Lair brings our readers a contemporary upbeat take on evil. Your idea of evil is totally retro, without the irony. Your lasers are a ridiculous shade of blue. And would you please rotate that Bunsen burner 90 degrees before I get sick?
Give me a chance. I'll spruce up the place.
I'll give you a week.
I'm gonna need help from someone with a real feel for color and shape. Definitely gonna have to outsource this one. I know.
My summer
Amy
fantasy
Rose,
cushions with floral
my favorite
upholstery that
female
complements
from
each guest's
Sonic
natural
Boom.
coloring already. The ice sculpture has melted just enough to hide the carving marks. And I dug a trench around the picnic table and filled it with broken glass.
Seriously? Sticks?
I might have used rose petals, but we'll go with it. Sonic, how are you doing on those fruit drinks?
Blech. Sleeping
Why
all
am I
day.
not surprised? Tails, where's the soothing music? Right here. But I thought it would be better if I gave it a little boost.
Ah! Turn it off!
Knuckles, are my grilled pheasants ready?
Not now, Amy. I'm busy.
Oh, please don't cut
What the?
Knuckles.
Today turned out a lot different than I expected.
Seriously, Knuckles has gotten
Sticks,
stupid.
sometimes I don't know why I go out of my way to make things nice for these guys.
You deserve better. I mean, this table. It should be hanging in a museum.
That villain. Just give me the signal, Amy, and I'll clam him.
Don't let the fact that I constantly try to destroy you lead you to believe that I'm here to destroy you. I just want to hire Amy to redo my lair.
She appreciated
Come on,
it.
Amy. You're not buying this.
Is it so hard to believe Eggman might actually respect my talents?
Well, yeah. Wait, that came out wrong.
I accept.
Whoa. Thanks a
Don't
lot,
go with
Sonic.
egg breath.
You can't trust him. He's evil.
Yeah.
I can take care of myself.
Dang.
Splendid! My lair awaits. After you.
Don't look at me. I didn't use her lovingly prepared meal as a puppet.
So,
Yeah.
where do you want to start?
You have total creative freedom. Make this lair so fantastic that they'll want to put it on the cover. And then I'll say no. Sorry, old habits are hard to break. It's great, but I'm not sure about the color. It just doesn't say contemporary upbeat take on evil.
This color is called Contemporary Upbeat Take on Evil Blue.
Too much plaid? Maybe a little.
Look at you. Whoa, that's a nice painting. I replaced it. Aw, look! It's from My Little Pony.
The rose petals and laser light show had a certain regal flair, but do we really need that?
You guys are flying.
So free.
Was that necessary?
It's him!
He's here.
What a surprise!
Fly like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Yep, that's from My Little Pony. I could tell with the white one with the
He hates it.
purple
I knew
mane.
those unicorns were too much. I can explain. The one to blame
I love it.
is me.
Wait.
Yes, I really outdid myself, didn't I?
What? It was my design!
Under my supervision,
And my execution!
with my direction.
I just have one note.
A 40-hour work week for the cherubs?
Danger ups the entryway a little, and who knows, you might make the cover. I'll be back tomorrow with the photographer.
Did you hear that? The cover!
Great! Have fun supervising yourself! I'm out of here!
Oh no, Amy's captured.
Really?
What did you expect? I'm a supervillain. Now, once you're finished dangering up the entryway to my lab, I want to put in an evil screening room. Well, cheer up. At least I appreciate you, unlike your so-called friends.
Aw.
Burned food just doesn't taste the same without Amy.
Knuckles, you're eating a napkin.
Yeah, I knew that. Knuckles is right.
Really?
Not about the napkin eating, about Amy. We need to make sure she's okay.
Yes?
We came to get Amy. Is she done yet?
Amy has decided to become my full-time decorator. I'm afraid she doesn't want anything to do with her old friends.
Plan B?
Wow, never thought Amy'd abandon us. I don't think she did. Come on, we gotta find a way into this lair.
Ooh, what does that smell?
Nice.
It's us. We snuck in through a sewer pipe.
Whoa, a
I
sewer
was
pipe.
wondering how long it would take for you guys to miss me.
We may have a hard time saying
Ew, you
it,
got
Amy,
stuff on ya.
but, well, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Aw, I like it when it's a Son
There's no way
Amy
we're going
moment
back
with
out the
Sonic
way
and
we came
Amy.
in.
They're so
Care to do the
cute
honors?
together. They're just so cute together, Sonic and Amy.
Sorry about the door. Oh, and I quit.
No one quits my employ unless I dismantle them first.
It's true!
Again?
After you.
My Little Pony. He's getting away.
You're early.
Apparently. You're fired.
Look at his face.
Ride the roller coaster. That always cheers me up.
Wait, please, forget the cover. How about a smaller spread? A couple pages? A page! A snapshot buried behind some cleaning product ads.
Would have been nice to see my designs featured in a magazine. Oh well, maybe someday.
I can't guarantee you a magazine spread, but I do know a shack you could redecorate.
Really? I have wanted to fix that place up for years. Oh, Sonic, it'll be amazing!
Just a few things. My Coconut Husk collection is off limits, too many memories, and no washing, painting, plastering, or cleaning. But other than that, you have total creative freedom.
Well, thanks a lot to Eggman. So that was my reaction on Sonic Boom Season 1 episode. I forgot the number. Fortress of Quiltillicism. So remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell and all that YouTube fun stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Autobots, transform and roll out.